Looking to upgrade your space? Forget outdated finishes and worn-out interiors. Virgo Holdings is here to transform your property with professional renovation services tailored to your needs. From residential homes to offices, hospitals, and commercial spaces, we specialize in complete interior and exterior renovations designed to improve comfort, style, and functionality. Our renovation services include 3D epoxy flooring, a modern and durable alternative to traditional tiles, electrical wiring and lighting, installations, plumbing and drainage solutions, ceiling works and gypsum designs, office and home partitioning, painting, wall repairs, and finishing works, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, interior fit-outs and custom improvements. At Virgo Holdings Ltd, we combine quality workmanship, modern designs, and reliable project management to deliver spaces that truly stand out. Whether it's a small upgrade or a full property makeover, our experienced team is ready to bring your vision to life, professionally, efficiently, and on time. Call us today on 0722 524770, email info@virgoholdings.co.ke, visit our website on www.virgoholdings.co.ke. Virgo Holdings Ltd, transforming spaces with excellence.